locks on Friday?
Mm-hmm.
Why do you want locks?
Because they're pretty and you get to do whatever style you want, like ponytail, bun, braid. It might take a long time to make a braid, but yes, you can make a lot of different hairstyles that you want. And like your mom or dad, sometimes your dad doesn't have to do your hair anymore.
Hey, that's what we're most excited about. No more detangling.
You can also have your hair out.
All the time.
Just like that, her loctician flew out, installed her locks in about 2 days, and Callie has been overjoyed ever since. You're gonna see the pictures in a few. You'll see more videos throughout, but I also wanted to just make this video about Callie. So let's hear what Callie has to say. Hi, Callie.
Hi.
So today we're going to be talking about your locks and how you feel since you are officially locked up. And I just want to know all the things. Now that you have your locks, how do you feel?
I feel like so happy and excited. It's just fun having your hair locked up because it looks pretty and all of that stuff. So, yeah.
Okay, so tell me about your experience getting locks. Was the process of getting locks what you thought it was going to be?
No. It turns out it wasn't so long as I thought it would be because my hair's long and I thought it would take like a couple days, but it turns out it took 2 days and a half. It wasn't like what I thought it was.
Okay, so what about getting comfortable? Was that hard for you?
Yeah, it was.
Okay, so can you explain that? Did you sit in a chair? Did you sit on the floor?
I sat in the chair, and when I first sat in it felt comfy, but then it started to get uncomfortable once I got to sit in it for a couple of hours.
Okay, so how about when you sat on the couch? Was that okay for you?
Yeah, it wasn't so uncomfortable as the chair was, but yeah, it was nice.
Okay, and you said that you were getting your locks for a couple of hours. So what did you do while you were getting your locks installed?
So I was like listening to music, watching TV. I got to play a little of homescapes. So I was like entertained while my locks were getting done. I wasn't really good at staying still, so still, but I was doing good.
I want to say that we were in this process for at least 2 days. And so you did an amazing job staying still for a long time. You did amazing. You didn't complain. You told us when you were hungry, when you needed to use the bathroom, and that's super important.
Yeah, because how they're supposed to help you if you don't even tell them what's wrong and what you need.
Exactly. We cannot read your mind, and so it's very, very, very important for you to always speak up and use your voice because you have one. Okay, so we're definitely gonna shoot another video to count your locks, but before that happens, don't start counting yet. Before we shoot that video, can you take a guess as to how many locks you have in your hair? 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 900, 1,000? How many locks do you think you have?
Okay, I think I have, let's say 198.
Okay, you say you have 198 locks. I'm going to say you have 310 locks. Yeah, so you say 198 and I say 310. Once you guys see the 360 of her locks, please leave a comment below and tell us how many locks you think she has. This is just for fun. I will be self-retying my locks and her locks in the future. So the reason I wanted to film this video, I just wanted to share her experience because it can definitely inspire someone else. So if you guys notice, her ends are puffy, And this is exactly how my locks were when I first got mine. If you add water, which what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna spritz water in her locks. That is what's gonna allow her ends to curl and not be in this freeform state. But also, once I officially wash her hair, her ends will get curly. And that's what I noticed with mine. At first they were just like this, but as I washed my hair and braided it and allowed it to dry, her ends became curly. So this is Kalia. I definitely wanted to show you guys that she... Hi. Oh my gosh, you shouldn't have that. So before officially ending this video, I definitely wanted to show you guys that Kalia has locks.
Traditional.
She has traditional locks. And so, turn around. She's had her locks for about 2 weeks. And Kalia wanted traditional and Callie wanted Sisterlocks. So my husband and Kalia are matching with traditional and Callie and I are matching with Sisterlocks. So we will definitely be doing...
What about Calm and Baby Goat?
Calm and Baby Goat are way too small, so we're not gonna get them many locks anytime soon. Hi, Calm. Okay, so in the future we will be filming a lock journey video just to be able to give you guys a piece of our story and our journey with lock. Please leave a comment below. Let us know if you guys have any questions. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe to this channel and the rest of my platforms. Peace, love, and positive vibes always. Adios. Hasta luego.
Peace out.